Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Izotope RX for advanced voice cleanup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Izotope website in your web browser. Navigate to the RX product page for the latest version. Locate the Get Started or Download button to initiate the registration process. Select the appropriate version of RX that suits your operating system. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen prompts. Launch the Izotope RX application after installation is complete. You will see the option to create an account if you don't have one. Click on Create Account to proceed with the registration. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Select Submit to complete the account creation process. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox from Izotope. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Izotope RX application. Sign in using your newly created account credentials. You should now have access to the full features of RX. Explore the various voice cleanup tools available within the software. Familiarize yourself with the user interface for optimal usage. You are now ready to start cleaning up your voice recordings effectively. Keep the Izotope RX user manual or support guidelines handy for reference. This will help you make the most of the advanced features as you work on voice cleanup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.